After you run the Darwino Application Wizard, the shared folder contains the core components that are used throughout the application. This includes database definitions, shared code, and more that we'll look at here. We're going to show you the files generated by the wizard, but all of the details about how to update these files are in the wiki. The link to the wiki is in the video description below. Let's walk through the files now. The first file you see is the app business logic file. This is where you can register database events to include in your application. There is a separate video on how to create database events, and they are documented on the wiki. The next file is the actual database definition in the app database def file. This is where you can set various database options, such as whether or not the database should be full text indexed, and if and how replication should be enabled. The application manifest file defines all of the global options for the application. Things like the title, the description of the application, the main page URL, the JSON database that is being used, and more. Finally, the service factory is how you write REST services in Darwino. By default, this service simply creates and emits a very basic JSON object with information that is displayed on the landing page of the demo application. However, you can extend this class to write any service you wish to call in a Darwino application. And that's it. That's the basics of the shared folder. You need at least these 4 files to be defined in the shared directory, and then all of the other components of your web and mobile apps can consume them.